Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we receive a call and transfer it to someone. Now there are two ways of transferring a call, unattended and attended. I'll explain the difference. In an unattended transfer, the caller calls to the first recipient who transfers the call without asking the end person if they would like to talk to the person or not. It's a simple transfer, it's very fast. It gets the call clear very quickly. The second way of transferring a call is when the caller says, "Could you find out if someone is available for me?" The person making the transfer makes a transfer, but for some reason they might want to talk to the end recipient first to see if they're free. Without further ado, let's have a look at those in practice. So first of all, we're going to make a call to the Bria Desktop app. We're going to answer that call. I'm going to say, who do you want to transfer it to? And we'll press transfer. Now we'll select the person that we're transferring the call to. The person who's making the call can hear on hold music whilst we're about to transfer the call. Now let's select transfer. This is an unattended transfer where no extra work is needed to do the call. I'm now off the call, and the person calling and the end recipient can converse normally. So that was an unattended transfer. I'll do it one more time. Make a call to the Bria Desktop app. Answer the call. Ask who they want to be transferred to. Press transfer. Select the person they're being transferred to and press transfer now. End recipient just simply answers the call. That call is now transferred. The second way of doing a transfer is an attended transfer, where we check first to see if the end recipient is available. Let's make a call to the Bria Desktop app. Now let's answer the call. Let's ask the person calling who they'd like to be transferred to. Select transfer. Type the name of the person we're transferring the call to. The caller can hear music while they're waiting to be transferred. And now we're going to transfer the call, but we're going to do an attended transfer by selecting this drop down. It says call first. So we're going to call transferee first. Transferee receives the call. Hello. And now we're establishing whether or not the person is free to take the call. Meanwhile, all the time the caller can hear hold music. If the person is free to take the call, simply just press the transfer now button and the call is transferred. And now the caller and the transferee are in the call and they're all happy. Those are the two ways of how we transfer a call, both unattended and attended. I'll show the attended transfer option one last time. Let's make a call to the Bria Desktop app. Let's answer the call. Let's establish who the call wants to be transferred to and press the transfer button. Type the name of the recipient we're transferring to, and rather than pressing transfer now, select call first. This is now ringing the transferee who answers the call. I establish whether the person that I'm transferring the call to wants to be spoken to or not, and if the answer is yes, I simply select transfer now. I'm now free of the call, and the caller and the transferee are having their conversation. That concludes the two ways of transferring a call.